Hi friends, yesterday we discussed about polycaps and Havels. Both the stocks are holding even in the falling markets and probably they will go up in a day or two. So today we'll discuss about two stocks before going to Nifty and Bank Nifty. The first stock I'm going to discuss is Oberoi Realty. Oberoi Realty has formed a bullish engulf pattern with increase in volumes. So this is forming a rounding bottom pattern and then can test the levels of 1051 on the first instance and then break beyond that can take it to higher levels. So our target would be only 1051. Once it crosses that, then we'll see what happens to that. So Oberoi Realty, a trade can be taken with a 1000 call, and if you're trading in equity, the stop loss is around 961 and then the target is 1051. The parameters indicate that it is overbought, so you can wait for it to correct to some extent and then take a trade in that. Don't take a trade immediately, it is likely to correct to some extent and then move upwards. So the next stock I'm going to discuss is Container Corporation. So Container Corporation again is in uptrend and then it has moved up with huge volumes and then also has formed a bullish engulf pattern, and it is also forming a rounding bottom pattern wherein it is sure to touch the levels of 754. So it is likely to test the levels of 754. So Container Corporation is also overbought. So one can take a trade only after it corrects to some extent. So the stop loss for this in equity is 695. So now we'll see what's happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty, as you can see, has formed a bearish harami pattern indicating that it is bearish. So it is most likely to test 17703 levels and then it may bounce back. As tomorrow being a weekly expiry, one short fall is definitely going to happen. So we have to see whether the support comes at 703 or at 639. So after that it may again bounce back and then move upwards. The levels are displayed here. You can just note down the levels mentioned here. So then coming to Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty has formed a neutral harami pattern. So many of the bank stocks have moved up also today. So it is likely to bounce back after some fall in it. So the levels are indicated here. Support at 37209 and then 36827, resistance at 37935 and then 38267. Again, tomorrow being weekly expiry, volatility is going to be high, so we may see a fall and then probably by the end of the day the markets may recover. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. Have a good trading day tomorrow. Good night.